Hi all, the Teespring Kingscrusher store has been updated. I've tried to optimize the best designs, and they're from my new fantastic Russian designer Fuzhou, who's a massive chess enthusiast in his own right. So you can see his classic form pawn, the Greek gift. We've got some variations on that, knights bearing gifts, bishops bearing gifts. Let me just show you that. Let me scroll down there. So those are very, very nice designs, but the ones I want to show you for this particular video, they were stimulated by the Chessable Kingscrusher Snacks course, which is actually going to be a series, potentially 3 or maybe even 4. But here is a design which I'm sharing with Chessable for the book covers, modified for t-shirt form. So this is the Kingscrusher Snacks course, which is doing quite well so far on Chessable. I'm very pleased with it. Let's have a look at the t-shirt, and I'll just show you the course after for a moment. So the t-shirt design, so like snacking on a sort of chocolate king there. And you can get that in all these kind of product forms. So even a mug there. So it's all a lot of fun. Let's go back and have a look at number 2 on that same theme of Kingscrusher snacking. So number 2, I put the classic t-shirts as the primary examples here on the store, but you can pivot to other products which use the same design. I'm a bit wary sometimes Teespring seems overloaded, so I try to limit the examples here on the store to make it a little bit quicker. So here is the second design. I think it's a lot of fun, and yeah, I hope you get a good look at that. Okay, so let's have a look at number 3 as well. So I'll go back and scroll down here. I put the 4 together basically. So number 3. So I've actually made a more direct link there. It will be potentially the Snacks free course at Chessable. Sharing the same designs. So Snacks free. Let's look at that. That's a lot of fun. They're terrified, these kings. Anyway, yes. So he's got a very good sense of humor, my designer. And he's into chess. So I also asked him to upgrade this. There'll be a new Fool's Mate, I hope, at some point. So let's have a look at number 4 now. So Kingscrusher Snacks 4. When it loads. Okay, so Kingscrusher Snacks 4. And of course you've got the different colours. And all the designs I mentioned, that you can change the colour to suit your preferences. So you might actually prefer a different colour, like one of these. Okay, so thank you for all those who are supporting my Kingscrusher Tactics Snacks course, which is why these designs arrived actually. So you can see an adaptation for a book cover. So Kingscrusher Snacks now has approaching 100 students, I'm pleased to say, and the rating is pretty solid at the moment. 4.45 by 10 users. So I hope you really enjoy this course. This was from basically thousands and thousands of my games crystallized down to interesting chatmates, which are then validated by Stockfish would play the same way on the winning side. Of course, blunders from the opponent, they're not sort of vetted out. Those are what causes quite often the chatmates. So a lot of people are having fun with that. There's a leaderboard for that, which makes it more competitive and fun again. So if we go into it, well, there's comments there. If we click browse, rather, and you can see this leaderboard. Atti's leading at the moment. FC11, Keith. So I hope you get onto this leaderboard. I should do more of my own. Yeah, I tried a few and it's great fun. And when I get time, I want to do all of the positions. But yeah, check out this leaderboard. So that's getting a bit competitive there. So that's fun as well. Okay, so Kingscrusher Tactics course. Let's go back to the snacks, and I hope you check out the store. So I just think he's an absolutely fantastic designer. Lucky to have found him based on this YouTube video, actually, the design, which was really great. Where Stockfish was playing Anti-Fish, actually. He did the fishing design, so brilliant designer. Hope you appreciate his designs. I certainly do. I think they're huge fun, basically. And I like wearing, I really do like, it's fun wearing them. And I've got the mugs as well. Well, one of the mugs so far. I will be getting more. Okay. Hope you check that out. Thanks very much. I'll give the links for all this in the description. You can see the store link there, of course, but I'll give you a link again for the Chessable in the description as well, and the pinned comment. Thanks very much.